Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Michelle Ferguson and I'm the crochet pattern designer of Two Brothers Blankets. Today I'm going to teach you how to do the chainless foundation double crochet stitch. This is a super stretchy, clean looking, nice alternative to chaining to a starting chain and working double crochets into a starting chain. This is going to give you more stretch than a starting chain would, and I just think it looks really nice and clean. It's great for necklines, bottoms of garments, starting hats, anything really, as an alternative to your starting chain and working double crochets into the starting chain. For this tutorial, I'm going to use some woolen cotton from We Crochet that I have. This is a DK weight yarn. It is a Pima cotton merino wool blend. It's a really nice yarn. I'll link it in the description for you. And then I have an H 5mm crochet hook. This is a Furl Streamline wood hook, and I will also link it in the description. So let's go ahead and get started with our tutorial. All right, so to start our chainless foundation double crochet, you're gonna get a slip knot here, and we're gonna chain 3. So you gotta do a little bit of chaining at the beginning, but that will be it. 1, 2, 3. All right, I'm going to work in the back bump of my chains. I'm going to work in this very first one closest to my slip knot, or my third chain from my hook. So I'm going to yarn over. I'm going to insert my hook into that bump. I'm going to yarn over and pull up a loop. I have 3 loops on my hook. I'm going to yarn over and I'm going to pull through one of those loops. So I have 3 loops on my hook again. Now I'm going to work my double crochet just as I would. I'm going to yarn over, pull through 2 loops left on my hook, yarn over and pull through 2. That is my first double crochet. So here's our bottom. This is going to be the bottom, and this is the top of our stitch here. So now we're going to work into the bottom of our stitch. So you see this loop right here. This is the loop that we created when we did the extra step. I'm going to work into that, but I'm going to yarn over first. I'm going to insert my hook underneath those 2 bars, those 2 loops. I'm going to yarn over, pull up a loop, 3 loops on my hook, yarn over, pull through 1 only, 3 loops on my hook again, yarn over, pull through 2 loops on my hook, yarn over and pull through 2 again. So now I've created 2 double crochet. So now I'm working in the bottom of this second double crochet that I've worked. So you'll see it right here. They just kind of cross over, and you're going to yarn over and insert your hook in underneath those 2 loops. You're going to yarn over, pull up a loop, 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through 1, 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through 2 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through 2. And here's what it looks like so far. So you've got your bottom here of your stitches, and then your top of your stitches here. We're going to continue doing that. Well, let's do at least 10 so we can get some good practice. So yarn over, insert hook. Now you can kind of like flip it over and look at the bottom and see that it's clearly the bottom of the stitch. And you're going to insert your hook under that stitch, under the bottom of those loops. Yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 2, and then yarn over and pull through 2. Yarn over, insert hook, the bottom loops, yarn over, pull up a loop, 3 loops, yarn over, pull through 1, 3 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops left, and then yarn over and pull through 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So yarn over, insert under the bottom loops, yarn over, pull up a loop, 3 loops, yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 2, and then yarn over and pull through 2. And you're starting to get a nice row. Yarn over, insert hook into the bottom, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 2, and then pull through 2. A few more. Yarn over, insert under the 2 loops, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 2, and pull through 2. I'm going to do it full speed now. You do want to try to keep your tension the same throughout. You don't want to have bigger gaps underneath, which will make your stitches and your gauge all off. Let's see how many we got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right. So we've got 10 here. You can see our foundation row. If I were to finish this and I needed to do some double crochets, for the next row, you would just simply, you're here, this is your bottom, you would simply chain 1 or chain 2, however many you have to, and then you're going to turn your work and you're going to be at the right side of your work, the top of your work. So that's where you're going to do your stitches. So I would just do my double crochet stitches right into these stitches that I have created. And now you don't have any gaps, you don't have any holes, you have more stretch at the start of your project. I just find it to be really nice and a great alternative to that starting chain. You don't have to worry about twisting so much, getting tangled, going the wrong way, things like that. So there we go. And that is how you do your chainless foundation single crochet. As you can see, it's not curving as much as it was now that I have worked my double crochet into it. This one's pretty curvy, but once you work into it, it straightens itself out and it just looks really nice, don't you think? If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I'll be happy to answer them. I hope you'll like this video and subscribe to my channel. Have a wonderful day, and thank you so much for watching.